Multi-project management, MPM, is the practice of managing multiple independent projects simultaneously within an organization. Unlike program management, where projects are interrelated and contribute to a shared strategic objective, multi-project management focuses on handling separate projects that may vary in scope, complexity, and objectives. These projects can belong to different departments or business units but are often managed using shared resources, including personnel, budgets, and technology. The primary challenge in multi-project management is balancing priorities, ensuring efficient resource allocation, and maintaining productivity across all projects without causing conflicts or bottlenecks. Key characteristics: one of the defining characteristics of multi-project management is the independence of projects. Each project operates with its own set of objectives, stakeholders, deadlines, and success criteria. A delay or failure in one project does not necessarily affect the others, making it possible for an organization to run multiple initiatives in parallel without them being interconnected. However, this independence also means that each project must be carefully managed to prevent scope creep, delays, or misallocation of resources. Another major characteristic of multi-project management is the competition for shared resources. Since multiple projects are being handled simultaneously, project managers must coordinate the use of human resources, budgets, and equipment to avoid overburdening teams or creating bottlenecks. This often requires organizations to implement prioritization frameworks, such as Moscow, must-have, should-have, could-have, won't-have, or weighted scoring models, to determine which projects should receive higher priority based on business impact, urgency, and available capacity. Challenges in multi-project management: one of the most significant challenges in multi-project management is resource allocation. When multiple projects rely on the same workforce, it can lead to conflicts in scheduling, overworked employees, and decreased productivity. Without proper planning and a centralized system to manage resource distribution, teams may struggle with inefficiencies, leading to missed deadlines and suboptimal project outcomes. Another challenge is maintaining visibility and control across all projects. With multiple projects running in parallel, project managers must track progress, monitor risks, and ensure alignment with business objectives. This requires robust project management tools, dashboards, and reporting mechanisms to provide real-time insights into project status, workload distribution, and potential risks. Additionally, effective communication becomes more complex in a multi-project environment. Project teams working on different initiatives may need to collaborate or share insights, making it crucial to establish clear channels for information flow. Poor communication can result in duplicated efforts, misalignment of goals, and inefficiencies that impact project success. Benefits of multi-project management: despite its challenges, multi-project management offers several benefits when executed effectively. One major advantage is increased flexibility and efficiency, allowing organizations to manage various initiatives concurrently without being restricted by dependencies. This approach enables businesses to respond quickly to changing market conditions and take advantage of multiple opportunities at once. Additionally, cost-effectiveness is another significant benefit. By sharing resources across different projects, organizations can optimize workforce utilization and reduce overall project expenses. Instead of hiring separate teams for each project, existing employees can work across multiple initiatives, leading to better budget efficiency. Furthermore, multi-project management supports strategic diversification by allowing organizations to explore various business avenues simultaneously. Whether it's launching new products, improving internal processes, or expanding into new markets, organizations can pursue multiple goals without being constrained by a single project focus. Best practices for effective multi-project management: to successfully manage multiple projects at once, organizations must implement key best practices: prioritization and strategic alignment. Use prioritization frameworks, e.g., Eisenhower Matrix, Moscow, to rank projects based on urgency, importance, and strategic alignment. Ensure that each project contributes to broader business objectives rather than spreading resources too thin. Efficient resource management. Implement capacity planning to prevent overallocation or burnout. Utilize project management tools like Microsoft Project, Trello, or Jira to track workloads and adjust assignments dynamically. Clear communication and collaboration. Establish standardized communication channels to ensure transparency and alignment across teams. Use collaboration tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, or Asana to streamline discussions and documentation. Real-time monitoring and reporting. Leverage dashboards and key performance indicators, KPIs, to monitor project progress, identify risks, and make data-driven decisions. Conduct regular check-ins and status meetings to ensure alignment. Risk management and contingency planning. Identify potential risks across multiple projects and develop contingency plans to address challenges proactively. Maintain flexibility to reallocate resources when necessary to mitigate risks and keep projects on track. Multi-project management is a critical approach for organizations looking to manage multiple initiatives effectively while optimizing resources and maximizing efficiency. However, it comes with significant challenges, particularly in resource allocation, communication, and visibility. By implementing strategic prioritization, leveraging technology, and fostering clear communication, organizations can navigate the complexities of multi-project management successfully and achieve their business goals. Why multi-project management is different from program management. Although both multi-project management, MPM, and program management, PM, involve managing multiple projects simultaneously, they differ significantly in their purpose, structure, interdependencies, and management approach. Below are the key differences that set them apart. 1. Strategic purpose and focus. Multi-project management. The primary focus is on efficiently managing multiple independent projects that may belong to different business areas. The goal is to ensure each project meets its individual objectives without necessarily contributing to a unified strategic vision. Program management. Programs are designed to achieve broader business objectives, and all projects within a program are aligned with a single strategic goal. Instead of just completing projects efficiently, program management ensures that all projects work together to deliver a greater collective impact. Example: a multi-project scenario in a tech company might involve developing 3 unrelated software products simultaneously, each with its own separate team and objectives. A program scenario in the same company might involve multiple projects working together to develop a comprehensive digital transformation strategy, including cloud migration, cybersecurity improvements, and AI integration. Project interdependencies. Multi-project management. Each project is independent, meaning its success or failure does not directly affect the others. While some projects may share resources, they do not rely on one another for completion. Program management. Projects within a program are interdependent. The success or delay of one project can impact the entire program. Managing dependencies and ensuring synchronization between projects is a critical part of program management. Example: in a multi-project setting, a company could be simultaneously constructing a shopping mall, an office building, and a hospital, each functioning separately. In a program, a company working on a smart city initiative would need different projects, like smart traffic lights, energy-efficient buildings, and digital payment systems, to be coordinated so they integrate seamlessly. Management approach. Multi-project management. Each project is managed separately, often with different project managers and methodologies. The focus is on optimizing resources, schedules, and budgets for each project individually. Program management. There is a single program manager overseeing multiple projects to ensure they align with the overall strategic goal. Decision-making is done at the program level, ensuring synchronization between projects, managing shared risks, and adjusting priorities dynamically. Example: in a multi-project setup, different IT projects, e.g., launching a new website, developing a mobile app, and upgrading security protocols, would be managed by separate teams with little coordination. In a program, an IT transformation program would ensure that all technology upgrades align to improve the overall digital infrastructure of a company. Success criteria. Multi-project management. The success of multi-project management is measured by how well each individual project meets its deadlines, budget, and scope. Success is not necessarily tied to any other project in the portfolio. Program management. The success of program management is not just about individual project completion, it is about whether the entire program delivers the expected business benefits. The focus is on achieving the overall mission rather than just finishing tasks. Example: in a multi-project scenario, a manufacturing company may launch separate projects to improve warehouse logistics, automate production lines, and implement a CRM system. Each project is judged on its own results. In a program, an Industry 4.0 automation program would integrate these projects to create a smart factory, ensuring that all automation efforts work together to enhance productivity and cost savings. Governance and oversight. Multi-project management. Each project operates under its own governance and reporting structure. There may be a portfolio manager overseeing multiple projects, but the focus remains on individual project success rather than strategic coordination. Program management. Programs are centrally governed, ensuring that all projects follow a unified strategy. Program managers have authority over multiple projects and make higher-level decisions that impact the entire program. Example: in a multi-project setup, different teams might use different methodologies, e.g., Agile for software development, Waterfall for infrastructure projects. In a program, a centralized governance model ensures all projects align to common program objectives and use a consistent approach. Key differences at a glance. Key differences matrix is given. While multi-project management and program management both involve handling multiple projects, their purpose, scope, and management approaches are fundamentally different. Multi-project management is focused on optimizing individual projects and ensuring their independent success, whereas program management strategically coordinates multiple projects to achieve a greater, overarching business goal. Organizations should choose multi-project management when working on unrelated initiatives that need efficient execution and opt for program management when they need to align multiple projects to drive a broader strategic outcome. Understanding these differences helps businesses optimize project execution, enhance resource efficiency, and achieve long-term success in their project and program portfolios.